Hello, today it's time to enjoy. And these potatoes are even better than the meat.
A little touch of veggies to take it up a notch and make it amazing.
The first thing is to put water on to heat at full blast. Add salt to taste, because we're going to boil potatoes that aren't too big. We put them in the boiling water, and in a few minutes, they'll be soft. So we cover them and wait until they're soft in the center. Once you have them, what you'll do is cut them in half. Just like that, perfect. While they're cooking, we've done some prep work like chopping garlic and also grating zucchini. Yes, you heard that right. A small piece of zucchini, not too big, we're going to grate it, which will give it a great touch. Now, in a good pan, we add a little bit of oil. Let it heat up, and once it's hot, we add it in. As I said, add a couple chopped garlic cloves.
You'll see that it starts to brown in a short time. When you see it starting to brown, add about 3/4 of a tablespoon of butter, just a small piece. Stir it, and when it melts, add the grated pumpkin.
Let's give it a few stirs and cook it for 2 or 3 minutes until it looks like what you see here.
When you see that the pumpkin has this golden color, add the potatoes, and we're practically done. We'll keep stirring it until it's golden on all sides, and then this amazing dish will be ready. However, I recommend giving it the final touch in the following way. Add a little bit of parsley, which will give it a fantastic aroma, and sprinkle a bit of grated cheese on top.
For these last few minutes, we'll cook it with the pan covered. So let everything melt together a bit, and look this amazing. What a dish. Look. What an amazing appearance. Don't tell me you don't feel like serving this dish. To share at the same time, with a little fish or some meat.
And look how tender the potato turns out. It's a real wonder. I truly recommend you try it, because you're going to make this recipe over and over again.
I adore potatoes and simple recipes. Today, we'll achieve success.